Like our previous video, we are back again with another video focusing on the second unit of our third chapter, the village judge. So before going through the unit, let's recite Brahmana. Brahmana. So stop. Let's start our today's class. I think you must not have any difficulties with the unit 1. Then, okay, you should answer my some easy questions, few questions. Who were great friends? The story begins with name of two friends. Let's answer. Who were great friends? Definitely, the answer will be Jummon Sheikh and Olgu Chaudhary. Clear? Who had the old aunt? The answer is Jummon Sheikh. Now the question is, the important question, that why did old aunt need some money? So here a lot of questions before it. Before transference, how did they behave? After the transference, how did they behave? And finally, aunt needs some money to eat and cook separately. Why? The answer is here. She cannot bear or tolerate all the ill treatment of Jummon Sheikh and Kariman after the transference of the property. That's why she demanded some money and lived separately. Clear? So consequently, some lines also there, conversations also there. Now move towards another question. Fill in the blanks. Jummon Sheikh and his wife behaved dash before the transference of the property. So the answer is here. They behaved good, or according to the book, we can write here that they were very respectful. They were very kind. So kind and respectful, that is the answer. Okay. So when aunt demanded some money, did Jummon agree to her proposal? He was ready to pay the money. So the line here says, money doesn't grow on trees here. So this statement made by Jummon Sheikh. So from that statement you can guess what was his intention, to pay or not to pay. So was he ready to pay? Definitely no. The answer is no. So up to this much we have covered in our unit 1 first part. After that, aunt made several runs. From village to village, from person to person, only to gather support for her. He was very old, she was very old. She had a stick in her hand and supported his waist and made rounds from village to village. But unfortunately, she did not get any positive response from the or reaction from the person. Nobody listened her story and no one asked her comfort. Finally, she went to Algu Chaudhary, who was one Hindu and who was the great friend of Juman Sheikh. Clear? So when aunt requested Algu Chaudhary, he was also not ready to join the meeting. After having lot of pursuance or after having lot of conviction, he got ready to support the lady. And he said, yes, I must go there, I will go there, but I cannot open my mouth there, as he is one of my great friends. And the lady said, or the aunt told Algu that, will you hesitate to say the honest things? And after saying that, she left that place. And after leaving of the lady, Algu Chaudhary only thought the words of aunt, and the words were echoed in his heart, and he agreed. And he agreed to do it, or agreed to join the cause. So up to this much in our first unit. First of all, we had the discussion made between aunt and Juman Sheikh. After a few days or after several days, the panchayat was held or the panchayat was set under a tree in one evening. The panchas were ready there and the village people also were present there. And now Juman Sheikh and aunt, both the parties, they were also present. So when aunt asked Juman Sheikh to select a judge, then Juman Sheikh replied rudely or angrily, you should have a judge. Anyone you like, you should have. And aunt named Algu Chaudhary the judge for his case. Aunt named Algu Chaudhary. Algu Chaudhary the judge for our case. And Juman also agreed to it. Now Juman was overjoyed. When he got the name of his friend as the judge, he was overjoyed. He hid his feelings and he agreed to aunt's proposal that Algu Chaudhary was the judge or got selected as the judge for the case. Now Juman also overjoyed and also confident. Juman also confident because he thought that he had won the case. As Juman and Algu were great friends, he believed or he trusted his friend and he was confident that he had won the case. Clear? But what happened to that case? So remember, they were great friends, but as a judge, before the judgment, Algu said that aunt and Juman were exactly same to him. Mind it, exactly same to him, because now he is the judge for the case. He got selected as the judge, so he can't do any partiality. his judgment should be fair, judicious. That's why before commencing or before commencement of the meeting or panchayat, he said, Algu said that Aunt and Juman, you, both of you are exactly same to me. So after having this line, Juman also thought that it is only a mere show. It is not the actual thing he had in his heart. That's why he got confident that he had won the case. The elders were present there, the panchas were present there, they had a lot of discussion, they put a lot of questions to Juman Sheikh. What Juman Sheikh found very hard to answer. So after a long discussion in the meeting, the judgment came finally. And what was the judgment? Judgment was there. The elders discussed a lot and the judgment finally came out. And Algu Chaudhary announced the judgment, that the judgment was Juman should pay a monthly allowance. Juman should pay a monthly allowance to old aunt. Clear? Again, another chance also was given to Juman Sheikh. The elders or the panchas said that if he was not ready to give the money or to the monthly allowance to aunt, then he should return the property. Clear? So here is a chance also was given to Juman Sheikh that if he was not ready to pay the monthly allowance or the money demanded by aunt, then he should return the property. This is the judgment given by the panchayat. So after hearing, just imagine, after hearing the conclusion of the meeting or the judgment of the meeting, what might have happened to Juman Sheikh? First of all, he was overjoyed, then he was confident, but finally he had lost the case. Clear? So after that, it is also known to us, so how he might have felt after the judgment declared by Algu Chaudhary in the public or among the villagers. So two consequences are happened, that friendship broke down. Their friendship broke down. And second thing, Juman became revengeful. And third is your Juman became revengeful. And third is your Juman became revengeful and they were never seen together. From that day, they were never seen together. Clear? So this is all about only the friendship. So after the judgment declared by Algu Chaudhary. Clear? So what is the result or consequences? First is friendship broke down. Second, Juman became revengeful. And third is they were never seen together. So this much in this video for today's class. And after having the lines, if you have some doubts, then you can ask me on my personal number. Yeah. Now let's set our comprehension. So the important questions, WHO questions from this unit. First of all, who got selected as the judge? Who got selected as the judge? To whom aren't selected as the judge for our case? Definitely it is your Algu Chaudhary. Okay. Then what made Algu to be the punch? Let me remind the first situation. First of all, Algu was not ready to be the punch because they were great friends, but finally he was ready. So what made him to be the punch or agree to come to the panchayat? That is your aunt's fervent request. Aunt's fervent request. ଅନୁନୟ ବିନୟ କରି ସେ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିଥିଲେ. Number 3. Why was Jumal was overjoyed? Why was Jumal was overjoyed? So when he heard the name of Algu Chaudhary as the judge, he was overjoyed. So after having or after getting, after listening, whatever you can write here. So the answer is after getting the name of Algu as the judge. Clear? Then the fourth question also related to the previous one. Why was Juman confident? Why was Juman confident? Juman was confident that he had won the case. He had won the case. Or here the spelling is W-O-N. Win past tense won. And finally, the result, what was the judgment for aunt's case? As I have said that Juman Sheikh should pay the monthly allowance. In short, I have written here, Juman Sheikh should pay the monthly allowance to old aunt. And the chance also, the opportunity he was given, you can write here with the first one. Juman should pay the monthly allowance. Then if he was not ready to pay it, then he would have to what? Transfer the property again aunt's name.